Hey y'all, if y'all want to see how I went from this to this, continue to watch. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiana Chanel and I'm back with another hair video. Before I even get into the wig, well, let me show y'all the wig first. It's this Kinky straight wig 9x6. It comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as y'all can tell. Yep, giving scalp. I ain't even hot combing yet, y'all. But let me go over some of the details of the wig. Again, this is from BGM Hair. I'm gonna do a glueless install, so this should be real easy for beginners, especially if you never did a wig or put a wig on before. And this would be a good wig since it already is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. That's the whole thing in itself. So it already comes with that, so that's good. It has the M cap. And then it's C-shaped, so the ears are already basically cut out for you. It has removable combs because sometimes the combs can be irritating, but it does help secure. But if it is in the way for you, you can take them out. Anti-slip elastic band sewn onto the wig, and I'll show y'all that. And the anti-slip part is just like, it has a little plasticky, like rubbery part on it to help it from like sliding off your head. Basically, that's all it is. Nothing too special. So this is what came in it. Elastic band, wig cap that I have on my head right now. Their TikTok shop card. It got water on it, y'all. It came with a lot of stuff. How to apply the wig and a coupon. This to spread out an edge brush. I'll be using these now, so rub that. And then a bonnet. I'll be using these bonnets too. And what else? Some eyelashes. So yeah. Put the makeup on the legs, just the front part. Yo, this is a real HD lace. I know if you see that, you don't see anything. The HD. So this is, like I said, a Kinky curly wig. I mean Kinky straight. So it has some texture to it, which is fine. But I'm gonna just straighten it a little bit more, so it's not so like puffy at the top. And then I'm gonna cut some edges and do the edges. But yeah, I know y'all see how it looks.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
But like the lace is already melted so good. Yeah, I'm not gonna do no edges. It's cute without the edges. Bust down the middle part. So I'm about to do the same thing to the other side and just hot comb it.
That we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away.
like him, he don't wife him, he one item. I never listen, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
One of my first Glueless install, my first edgeless. Install. Okay, y'all, so I get it here. I don't even know the length, but I'm just gonna show y'all how long it is, and it will be in the description. But it definitely goes way past to the tip of the butt. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And the hair will be linked down below. Mwah.